Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am Mitzel for those of you who do not know, and welcome. So today's video is something that came to me yesterday. Yesterday were the Oscars. I think it was the 99th Oscars, and I didn't see the whole thing because I didn't watch any of the movies that were nominated. Congratulations and everyone who won yesterday. The one thing that I saw a lot, obviously, was the makeup that was done by other fabulous makeup artists, celebrity makeup artists. And from past years, I thought that there was something different about this year. I don't know, because of the makeup trends that are now trending, obviously. But a lot of the makeups were super natural. One thing that I saw the most was like a glossy lid, and I got inspired, so that's what we're gonna do today. So before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can keep seeing this lovely face on your YouTube, and let's get started. Alright, so today's look is inspired by makeup I saw on Instagram. I cannot remember for the life of me who the actress was, who the makeup artist was, but I remember in my brain that it was a glossy lid with natural lashes, very glowy skin, very natural. That's the trend I saw. I'm gonna put some makeup looks that were worn for the occasion, and it was super natural. I don't know if it's because of what's trending right now, but I remember when I used to watch the Oscars religiously, they always had like winged eyeliners. Like, you can tell they had makeup. It was more like a Hollywood glamorous look. But this year I saw a lot of it being more on the natural side, so I'm gonna try to recreate that today for you guys. Let's see if I can. So first, I'm gonna try again this MILANI Soft Focus Glow. I've tried it, I think, when I did the full face of drugstore makeup, and let's just say it wasn't good. So I want to try it again one more time because I applied it on my mom and it didn't do anything weird on her skin. So I don't know if it was just my skin. I'm trying to pat it in instead of just... I think I just need to pat it because when I swipe, it does peel off. So I'm just gonna keep it like that. I much prefer my MAC Cosmetics Strobe Cream over this, but it gives kind of the same look to the face. But yeah, I'm still not sure about that one. Okay, I want a little extra glow, so I'm gonna use the TILBURY Hollywood Flawless Filter in the shade 2.5 Fair. Just apply that on the high points of my face. Again, this year I saw that the makeup was more on the natural side, very glowy skin, very beautiful makeup, and just blend it out with my beauty blender. For foundation, I'm gonna use this. This is the Bobbi Brown Intensive Skin Serum Foundation. I have the shade N032 Sand. I'm gonna apply some of that to my face and apply it with a brush. One thing that I saw a lot with the makeup artist I follow was the foundation they were using on the celebrities. Most of the foundations were very lightweight, very natural finish. Of course, there are times that you can't tell that the celebrity or actress or actor is wearing makeup when you see pictures or you see them on TV, but most of the time they're wearing a lot of makeup. They have to wear a little bit more makeup because of the cameras, and yeah, because of cameras, especially with photos and stuff like that. So I was very surprised that they were wearing foundations that are more glowy or more natural looking. So I think because, of course, technology is evolving, you can now tell when someone is wearing a lot of makeup and when they're not. So I think that because they want to give this illusion of a very natural face, they're starting to realize that the cameras are picking that up if you apply too much makeup. I mean, there's pictures of celebrity that look like cakey face. So no, but this year it was very, very natural. Maybe all the years are, and I just realized. But I saw some of the products they were using and stuff like that, and it was very, very natural. It's more skin-like, but it still gives a little bit of coverage. It helped with my redness. Very nice. I like this foundation. Alright, I'm gonna correct my under eyes using the BECCA Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I'm just gonna apply this because I do have dark circles and I want to look more alive. Just gonna say here, I'm manifesting to being in the 100th Oscars. I'm manifesting it. I just put it out to the world. I am going to be in the 100th Oscars ceremony. I do believe in manifestation, and I do believe that I'm gonna be there. People are gonna think I'm crazy, but wait till you see. For concealer, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Concealer. This is an oldie but a goodie. Just gonna apply a little bit, and this one is a bit lighter than my face, so I want to brighten my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my chin. No, I'm not gonna do my forehead because I have a big forehead, so just blend it out with my beauty blender. It's funny how makeup, it's totally different from a few years back, especially seeing pictures like from not only the Oscars but any other type of event. The one that really like comes to mind was the pictures of like Kim Kardashian when she went to red carpets. You can see that she had like a really bright under eye, heavy makeup, heavy lashes and everything. Now the more natural the better. Just funny how makeup is evolving. Like I think right now it's like super natural, and then it's gonna go back to super dramatic. I don't know, maybe one day it's gonna be like no makeup. You never know. Okay, to set my under eyes, I'm gonna use the McGRATH Skin Fetish Sublime Perfecting Blurring Under Eye Powder in the shade Light. Just gonna take a fluffy brush, just set my under eye, and wherever I apply the concealer, just to brighten those areas. Alright, for bronzer, I'm gonna use a Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand. This is the fair medium shade. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this, a few dots. I really, really like this product. It has becoming one of my favorites. But I also don't want to use it a lot because it was hard to find. I think it's perfect for today's video because I don't know. I'm just gonna blend it out using my beauty blender. Jawline. Oh wow. I love the shade of this product. It's like a perfect in between of a contour and a bronzer. Okay, for highlighter, I'm gonna use again the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand in the shade Spotlight. Another product I've been enjoying. Just gonna concentrate it there, more on the outer parts of the face, and blend it out. Again, using the beauty blender. Some of the tip of my nose and bridge. Now for blush, I want something more natural looking, so I'm gonna use this. This is the NARS Air Matte Blush in the shade Hushed. It's a very neutral pink shade, very natural. I'm just gonna apply that. And this is more on the sheer side, so you can really build it up. But because I want it to look a little bit more natural, that's why I go in by layer and then see if I want to apply more or less. And again, trying to keep it more on the outer parts of my face to really lift my face. And I'm just going over with my beauty blender just to really set that in place. Alright, so I'm gonna do brows off camera, but I'm gonna show you the products I'm gonna use. I'm gonna start by using the Patrick Ta Shaping Wax in the shade Tinted. Gonna do more of a fluffy brush and then fill in any sparse areas using the Glossy Eyes Brow Flick in the shade Brown. So I'm gonna do that off camera and be right back. Okay, eyebrows are done. Now let's go into eyes. So for the eyes, I'm not gonna apply any primer or anything just because I'm gonna use a glossy product on my eyelids, and to be honest, I'm just gonna put it on, take pictures and take it off because glossy things on the eyes are a bit uncomfortable, so yeah. The one thing I don't know if I should do is do a eyeliner with some shadow very close to my lashes just to have a something. I think I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna do it with some eyeshadow. So I'm just gonna grab the first thing that I saw. It's this Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow in the shade 1 True Neutrals, and I'm gonna take this shade, which is Affogato, which is a chocolate brown shade, which I love. Just take an ankle brush, just apply it very close to my lash line. I don't know if you can hear my dog. She's snoring right now. I'm trying to do it like a really small wing. Like super, I don't want it to be super visible just because it's not that type of look. But I still want to lift my eyes just a bit. I'm taking pictures. I don't want you to tell that I have like a wing or something. Just to lift the eyes. Okay, so we're gonna do this out of order. I'm gonna first apply my mascara and then go in with the eyeshadow, which is gonna be an eye gloss. So let me curl my lashes. So yesterday I was practicing this look on my eyes, and I tried applying a shadow underneath, tried to apply the primer underneath, and this is what looked the best. I know this is not like an everyday look. I mean, if you want to wear a glossy lid every day, you do you. But I thought it was really fun. Alright, for my mascara, I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir Mascara. And I love this mascara because it looks natural on the lashes, but it also gives you length and a bit of volume. And I just loved how this one looked out of all the ones I tried yesterday that I was practicing this look. Really taking my time coating every lash, especially because I'm not gonna be applying any false lashes or anything. Also, my lashes are doing great right now. I cannot complain. Look at those puppies. Just gonna let them dry a bit and then go with another coat of mascara. You can even apply to this lash. Just don't want it to get like super dry because that's when it gets clumpy. Going with a second coat on this lashes. Just gonna go with this lash comb. Just go through my lashes just to separate them a bit because there are some lashes that are a little bit clumpy. Good God. Thank you, lashes, for working with me today. Just gonna apply a little bit of eyeliner on my upper waterline. This is the NARS High Pigment Long Wear Eyeliner in Gran Via. This is gonna make my lashes look even fuller and longer. Give that illusion. You see the difference? This one looks a bit more fuller, this doesn't. Alright, now for the fun part. I'm actually gonna use this. This is by Kylie Cosmetics. It's the Everything Everywhere gloss. She came out with this when she came out with her collaboration with Kendall Jenner. I don't know if she still sells it, but I know a lot of brands that still sell it. I'm actually gonna put this down below. I'm gonna give you some alternatives. This is the one I have, and this one actually has a little bit of gold in it. So I'm gonna take a concealer brush and take some of that product, and this you can use it on your lips, on your eyelids, on your face. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is start applying it all over my lid. I don't want to get too close to my lash line, but at the same time I do. If you don't have as pigmented eyelids as I do, you can apply a bit of shadow. I tried that yesterday. It didn't work out for me, but I did see some tutorials that it worked for other girls, so it just depends on your eyes, TBH, but mine have a little bit of pigment to it, so that's why I'm not that mad. Just applying it all over and just go in your finger and just pat it in. And I like how this one looks because it has a little bit of pearl in the formula, so it looks like I'm wearing some kind of shadow, but just a very glossy shadow. Look at that, looks very natural. That's the look I saw on this actress. But for the life of me, I cannot remember who she was. I hope I can find her and give some credit to the artist because I was obsessed. Of course, it's an inspired look by a lot of the makeup I saw, but mainly that look. Now I'm gonna apply some bottom lash mascara. I'm gonna use the Glossy Lash Stick. Oh, this is feeling sticky. I don't know if I should apply some eyeliner to my under waterline. I'm gonna do lips and then think about that. All right, now for lips, I'm actually gonna use this Kylie Cosmetics. It's the Red Velvet Lip Liner. Just gonna line my lips. I'm gonna fill them in just a bit. Now for my lipstick, I'm gonna use this Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color by MAC and Fashion Sweetie. And just apply a bit on my bottom lip. This is not as bright as the lip liner. I'm just gonna apply to my bottom lip and then I'm gonna transfer it to my upper lip. I think I'm gonna apply a bit of the eyeliner to my waterline, just a bit. Oh, I don't know. Right. We are done. Feels so weird because usually when I think of a kind of more glamorous makeup, I think more winged eyeliner, heavy makeup, and I don't know. This looks nice. I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm obsessed with it. I did a good job. I'm kind of proud of myself. I love how it came out. I'm just obsessed. But yeah, that's today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. You're gonna also comment down below what other types of videos you want to see. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. You can also follow me on my social medias, which I always leave somewhere around the screen and also in the description box below. Every product I use today is gonna be in the description box below. And yeah, so manifesting Mitzel Alonso for the 100th Oscar ceremony for me to be there. I'm gonna be there. No, just manifesting. But yeah, hope you guys are having an amazing day, amazing morning, or amazing night. I love you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.